Hey, we're up at our Northport house here, and I just kind of wanted to show you a little detail that we have going on. Being that this house is elevated over the ground, it's a pretty interesting build because a lot of things are out of the normal sequence. So, for instance, in this particular home, what we have done here is we actually held off on putting the subfloor down, and the reason for this is so we can get our insulation and our plumbing down within the floor system. If we had put the floor deck on, we would not be able to install that plumbing from the underside. So this was the only way that we were able to get to the mechanical space that we needed. So we've gone through and we have closed cell spray foam. This is 6 inches of closed cell spray foam installed in here so that we can have our R value that we need. And we're also going to have a heated floor system in here, so that's going to help keep that space even warmer and also keep the floor a lot more comfortable.